All right, sorry, I had to quick break there. So now write an equation of this line using this slope. Pen not working here. Yep. Hey, would be, oops, I lost some values here. Would be y equals my point and my slope negative 1 over root 3, x minus 2, and then plus 2 root 3. All right, and I'll just clean that up just a touch for later usage here. So multiply everything by root 3, so you have root 3y equals negative 1, x minus 2 plus 6. And let's go ahead and convert this to rectangular so we can graph both this one and the other one here in a second. So since y is r sine theta and x is r cosine theta minus 2 plus 6. Now we got to solve for r so we can graph this out. So distributing through here, we have root 3r sine theta equals negative r cosine theta plus 2 plus 6. So we move things over, factor an r out. We have r equals root 3 sine theta plus cosine theta equals 8. And therefore, if we divide that over, we have root 3 sine theta plus cosine theta. And we'll come back to that and graph that out in a second. Now, the other way to graph this line out is the equation I gave you, provided that you have the shortest distance here to your tangent line. Now we know what our distance is. Our distance, which is our r, which is 4. We know our angle measurement is pi over 3, which is 60 degrees, but we want to graph out in terms of radians. So therefore, if we have that, it's r equals your d times secant of theta minus a, yeah, we don't need that there. So if we put this in, our distance is 4, secant of theta minus pi over 3. And also we have to graph this out. We have 4 over cosine of theta minus pi over 3. And now what we want to do is we want to graph everything else out. So make sure your calculator is in radians. So go graph this one out and the one above it. Compare the two. Also graph out r equals 4, the circle. So put in y1, y2, and y3 so you can see that they are all the same. All right. So hopefully that gives you a quick review of what we covered. And you can send me an email if you have any other questions, and I can do the best I can to answer them online. All right, so make sure you do the worksheet 11.3b, and I'll have that and the answers posted so you can see if you're doing it right. All right.